What's the YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're old subscriber, welcome back. For those who know and those who don't know, my name is Brittany. Anyways, sorry for the raspy voice. I just woke up. Don't mind the nails. I know there are two different types because I was removing this one to do this one, and now I need to remove this hand so it can look like this hand. But I got tired last night, so I didn't finish. But anyways, yeah, so I just woke up and I thought I would do a day in my life and morning routine for you guys, so you guys can but yeah, so that's what I'm basically gonna do.
Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. Yeah, say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. Yeah, they say you found it, but she doesn't want.
So this is my top for the day. I kind of like the big, I like baggy tops. I don't know why, I just do, especially with this bottom here. So I do like wearing, because the bottom is tight, I do like wearing like a baggy top. But yeah, so this plus that, and then just a socks. I'm not sure of the shoes just yet. I'll pick that on my way out as usual, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face, take a shower, do my hair, all that stuff, and yeah. Left home and I'm here with my green tea and I'm just waiting on the bus guys. So to go to work. And here comes the bus. So guys, I'm just across the street from my workplace, and it's kind of getting hot right now. Like when I just stepped out of the house, it was feeling really chilly, but now it's getting hot in less than 15 minutes because I've only been on the bus for like 10 minutes. It was a 10 minutes bus ride from where I live and I work. So, but hey, I have arrived. Ooh, the lighting in here is really bad. But yeah. Stairs are not my best friend. Let me tell you that. I hate stairs. So I'm just gonna have a little snack right now with, it's like it's like 1:45 right now. I'm just gonna have a little snack, and like I took my jacket off because I was like, okay, it's getting warm, and guess what, it got cold and really windy and chilly again. So but I'm just going to the 7-Eleven to just grab something real quick, you know, nothing big, just something small and quick to eat. No, I don't. So this is what I got. 4 wings and 3 wedges for $5. So yeah, and now I'm gonna head back to work. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna head back to work and have my snackish. It's lunch or snackish, whatever. Yeah, let's just call it lunch because they're on lunchtime anyways. And I don't think I'm gonna have anything else until maybe dinner time. I'm not sure. Yeah. So I'm here at a park. Decided to take a little 5 minutes at this park, and you know, cause it just has this coolness to it and this serenity, you know. But we're good. I do work outdoors, and so today it's just been a whole bipolar weather. It's like this moment it's hot, the next moment it's super cold, but for right now it's like really, really hot, and I'm like, yeah, no, let me just take a 5-minute break, cool down my body, because at the end of the day we gotta listen to our bodies. So yeah, I'm just cooling down a bit. So yeah, take out a 5 and then get back to work. So guys, I have flour on my face, but that's because I'm cooking. So I'm home from work. Yes, so I'm home from work. Let me just close this cupboard because I'm currently cooking right now. So I got home around 9:30 there, and I wasn't feeling so well. I was kind of feeling like my stomach just feel upset, and I felt like I needed some chicken noodle soup, some chicken soup with yourself. But I needed some chicken soup, so of course I'm making it. That's it. Bubbling up right now. It's not as orange as I'd like it to be, but that's because of course we never have enough. I didn't have enough carrot, that's 1. 2, I don't have pumpkin, and then something there to put in it. So I just used what I had, and I used the Pax Premium, the soup, let me just take it up show. I use this to kind of give it a little orangish look and thing. So hopefully, you know, it can taste it all nice and thing cause my stomach feels sick and I really need soup. I was thinking at first of just eating some ramen, and then I was like, I feel like ramen is enough. I need more than ramen, man. So yeah. Good morning, guys. I didn't get to end my vlog last night, so I'm just ending it right now. Hope you guys loved it, and you know, just hope you guys keep safe. Love you guys.